Athlete of the Week, brought to you by Texas Mattress Makers.
Like any great competitor, this week's Athlete of the Week has a strong work ethic and is great under pressure.
And a strong arm. Just make sure she doesn't miss her pregame meal. Daniel Gotera explains.
Meagan Lee has a pregame ritual. A meal, actually.
PB&J with milk.
Simple but effective, the good luck charm for a right-handed pitcher.
I remember being bigger and taller than everyone else, and then now I'm the shortest one.
Whose height
I mean, I ate all the time. I thought I was supposed to grow by eating.
in no way compares to how tall she stands in that circle every week.
I feel really powerful because I feel like I've controlled the game. I control the speed of the game.
Workhorse, absolutely, 100%.
Just a sophomore, Megan's impressive work ethic matched her numbers this season. A 0.56 ERA, striking out 40% of the hitters she's faced this year.
It's weird. I work really good under pressure, and if there's not a lot of pressure, I tend to lose focus sometimes.
The discipline that she has within herself is phenomenal. She doesn't get rattled much.
But don't let her intense style of play fool you.
I think I'm funny most of the time.
Megan's carefree attitude to life, perfect for her hobby of choice, away from the diamond.
My grandpa has been surfing for, I don't even know how long, but he taught us. And then now me and my brother just do it just for fun and good for your mind. It's really peaceful.
She might just be a sophomore, but if you see her pitch and you see her work, you wouldn't know it. Congratulations for being our Athlete of the Week. Thanks to the folks at Texas Mattress Makers.
Thank you.
Yeah, cheers for Megan. If you have an athlete you'd like to nominate to be our Athlete of the Week, please send us an email at sports@kgu.com.
I'm not getting in the batter's box with her.
No.
No way.